Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload resume on your LinkedIn account. It's going to be really simple and easy. Now simply open up any browser and then go to your linkedin.com. So here is my LinkedIn account. We need to click here on profile picture. After that, tap on this settings and privacy. Inside the settings and privacy, here several options are available. Sign in, security, visibility, and data and privacy. Inside the data and privacy, just a little bit scroll down here. Here are the options available: job seeking, performance. You can do same process of mobile application also. Just click here job application settings. After that, you can see here your entire resumes are available here. If so many resumes are available here, just simply click on delete option, and after that you can just simply tap on this upload resume, then select your resume. Here is my resume, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.